Hi students, welcome to Chemistry Online. In previous class we discussed about balancing redox reaction by oxidation number method and ion electron method. Ion electron method is two types, acidic medium, basic medium. Acidic medium already we discussed, now we are going to discuss basic medium. Both are same but a small difference is there. Where the difference I am going to explain now. So, balancing redox reaction when the redox reaction is given in basic medium. Okay. See here in this textbook 62, question number 62, question number 62, in that 4 bits are there. So, first bit we are going to solve, first bit. So, A we are going to solve. Balance the following equations in basic medium by ion electron method and oxidation number methods and identity oxidizing agent and reducing agent. So, here P4, the equation is P4 plus OH minus gives rise to PH3 plus HPO2 minus HPO2 minus. So, it is the reaction given, but it is wrong. Here we have to take H2PO2 minus. H2PO2 minus. It is in material. Here HPO2 is given. That is H2PO2 minus. Then we have to balance this reaction. Okay. See here. So, what is given? We have to balance this reaction, which is OH minus now. So, it is given in basic medium. So, it is given in basic medium. Okay. So, when the redox reaction is given acidic medium or basic medium, you have to calculate oxidation states. Okay. And then here oxidation state is 0, here minus 3, here plus 1. So, 1 plus x plus 2 into minus 2 equal to minus 1. So, 1 plus x minus 4 equal to minus 1. So, x minus 3 equal to minus 1. So, x is equal to, so here it is 3 minus 1, 2. Okay. So, here 1 plus x, 2 into minus 2 minus 1. So, 1 plus x minus 4 equal to minus 1, x minus 3 equal to minus 1, x equal to plus 2. But here we have to get H2PO2 minus. H2PO2 minus. See here H2PO2 minus. Then what happened? 2. Then what happened? Here it is oxidation state is here it is minus 3 because x plus 3 into 1, here plus 1, here plus 1. See here 0 to minus 3, what happened? A reduction of reaction. Oxidation state decreases means reduction of reaction. Next, same P4 to phosphorus, what happened? Increases means oxidation of reaction. Okay, so here first one reduction of reaction, second one oxidation of reaction. You have to separate oxidation of reaction and reduction of reaction. See, you have to write what is oxidation of reaction. P4 gives rise to H2PO2 minus. What is reduction? P4 gives rise to PH3. So you have to balance first other than oxygen and hydrogen atoms. How many phosphorus? 4. You have to take 4. How many phosphorus? 4. You have to take 4. So here oxidation state is a 0. Here plus 1. Here 0. Here minus 3. Okay. Then you have to write here phosphorus is balanced. Okay, then we have to balance oxygens. Here 4 2s are 8 oxygens, here no oxygens, so leave this. Here no hydrogens, sorry, no oxygens. Here 4 2s are 8 oxygens. We have to add, for balancing oxygens, we have to add water molecules in acidic medium or basic medium, same. Then P4 4 2s are 8 H2O gives rise to 4 H2PO2 minus. 8 2s are 16. Okay, 8 oxygens, 8 1s are 8, 4 2s are 8. Then here no oxygens, as it is I am writing this equation. Okay, now you have to write oxygen is balanced. Next, hydrogens. For balancing hydrogens in basic medium, less hydrogen side you have to add water molecules, opposite side you have to add OH minus. See here 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Here you have to add 8 H2O, here 8 OH minus. P4 8 H2O 8 OH minus gives rise to 4 H2PO2 plus 8 H2. Understand? 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 8 24, 8 to 16, 16 plus 8 24. Hydrogen is balanced. Here how many hydrogens? 4 3s are 12. You have to add 12 H2O, 12 OHA minus. P4 12 H2O gives rise to 4 PH3 plus 12 OHA minus. Now you have to write hydrogen is balanced. Hydrogen is balanced. Okay. Then you have to balance charge. See once 1 phosphorus oxidation state 0, 4 phosphorus also 0, 1 phosphorus plus 1, 4 phosphorus plus 4. So we have to add plus 4 electrons this side. P4 plus 8 H2O plus 8 OH minus gives rise to 4 H2PO2 plus 8 H2O plus 4 electrons. It is equation number 1. Okay. Then 1 phosphorus 0, 4 into 0 0, 1 phosphorus minus 3, 4 into minus 3 12, 4 into 3 12. So 12 electrons we have to add this side. P4 plus 12 H2O plus 12 electrons gives rise to 4 pH3 plus 12 OH minus. Now you have to write charge is balanced. Charge is balanced. It is equation number 2. It is equation number 1. Now equalizing electrons. Equalizing electrons. See, equalizing electrons. Okay, equation 1 into equation 1, this one, the 4 electrons here, 12 electrons. So equation 1 into 3, 3 4s are 12. Equation 1 into 3, then 3p4 plus 3 8s are 24 H2O plus 3 8s are 24 OH minus gives rise to 3 4s are 12 H2PO2 minus 3 8s are 24 H2O 24 H2O 3 4s are 12 electrons. Okay, this is equation number 1 into 3. Next, equation number 2 into 1. Then as it is I am writing P4 plus 12 H2O plus 12 electrons gives rise to 4 pH3 plus 12 OH minus. And now adding. Now adding 12 electrons cancel. Okay, 24 H2O cancel. Then you have to write reactant side, product side. 3p4 4p4 plus 12 H2O. Any H2Os are there? See here, 12 H2O. Okay, and then any H2Os are there? Okay, write down 12 H2O. Next, 24 OH minus 12 OH minus plus 12 OH minus gives rise to 12 H2PO2 minus plus 4 pH3. Now you check LHS equal to RHS. Okay, so 4 4s are 16 phosphorus left side, 12p plus 4p, 16 phosphorus right side, 12 2s are 24 plus 2 12, 36 hydrogens left side, 12 2s are 24, 4 3s are 12, 36 hydrogens right side, 12 oxygens plus 12 oxygens, 24 oxygens left side, 12 2s are 24 oxygens right side. Then how many phosphorus, hydrogen, oxygen, total balance. So hence redox reaction is balanced. Okay, so this is a balanced equation. So this is the way we have to balance when the reaction is given in basic medium. When the reaction is given in basic medium. Okay, so first calculating oxidation states. After that, separating oxidation of reaction, reduction of reaction. Then other than oxygen and hydrogen atoms are balanced. So what is other than oxygen and hydrogen? Phosphorus. So balanced. Next, oxygen, balanced. For balancing oxygen, here we have to add less number of oxygen side water molecules. Next, here hydrogen, balanced. For balancing hydrogens, you have to add first less number of hydrogen side water molecules opposite hydroxyl OH minus. Then charge, equalizing first charge balance. How many electrons are less? The opposite side you have to add that much of electrons. See here, for balancing charge, oxidation number high side we have to add electrons. So here oxidation number is high, so added 4 electrons. Here oxidation number is high, so added 12 electrons. So next, equalizing electrons. Why? Because half reaction, then you will get a full reaction. So on adding, you will get this type of redox reaction. Very important for 4 marks. So next, 62 లో 61 లో A you have to do homework. 61A. See, question number 61, A bit homework, which is a basic medium. Which is a basic medium. Homework to do. See here, redox reaction redox reactions, it is acid medium, it is a base medium. Okay, so first, other than oxygen comma hydrogen atoms balance. Okay, in this one same, other than oxygen comma hydrogen atoms balance. Okay, after that after balancing other than oxygen and hydrogen atoms, oxygen atoms balance. Oxygen oxygen atoms balance. Oxygen atoms balance. Here also oxygen atoms balance. Okay, then for balancing oxygen we have to add H2O. Here also for balancing oxygen we have to add H2. Okay, then hydrogen atoms balance. For balancing hydrogens we have to add H plus, less number of hydrogen side we have to add H plus. Here hydrogen atoms balance. So here for balancing hydrogens, less number of hydrogen side you have to add H2O, and opposite side you have to add OH minus. First plus H2O and opposite side plus OH minus. Understand? Less number of hydrogen side you have to add H2O, and opposite side you have to add OH minus. Then charge, oxygen hydrogen, after that charge. Charge balance. Here also charge balance. Charge balance. For balancing charge you have to see change in oxidation state. So how many electrons changed, you have to add that much of electrons, oxidation number high side. Next, equalizing electrons. Here also equalizing electrons. Added electrons. Then adding two equations, oxidation of reaction, reduction of reaction, added. Then here also adding. Okay, then finally you will get balanced redox reaction. Balanced redox reaction. Here also finally you will get balanced redox reaction. Balanced redox reactions. We have to do basic medium for these instructions you have to follow when you are going to balance. Acidic medium for these instructions you have to follow. Okay. So this is redox reaction balancing acidic medium and basic medium. Okay. So time is over. It's a time to leave. So keep practicing, then only you will get a perfectness in these redox reactions.